What is that, guys?
I'm gonna do a
Oh
video
boy.
with 100 subscribers. So
I
just
haven't
enjoy
been
the banger video.
I haven't been posting in a while. I know, you guys might have been saying, but trust me, I know what to do now. I'm gonna post only Fridays or Saturdays or Sundays like that. I'm gonna post. It's been a while since I've last posted. Oh my god. I still don't know how to edit, okay? Actually, I've actually changed a bit of my graphics, so it's not as laggy anymore. It's kind of smooth, to be honest. So yeah. Okay. It's no longer laggy. I've been handling lag since like when I started this channel. Time to do machines. I'm gonna go find one. You guys just let me go find one. You guys just chill. Unfortunately, guys, I don't think I can find one. We're doing the last one. Yeah, no, I can't do that. Okay. The elevator. I'm going. Nah, no time. Try to check something. Gini. Crocodile. I don't need nothing. Oh yeah, guys. It's also the new official tune of the week. I think it's nice that they updated this. Of course, I have Toggle Loadout. It's actually nice to have this. I kind of wish I had Toggle Loadout before. Uh-oh. Ooh, machine. Oh my god. I'll gladly take anything what I can get, to be honest. I'm just gonna waste guys.
Yeah.
Nah, I'm enjoying this without the lag that I usually get. I get huge lag spikes.
You know what, guys?
Get in! Oh, looks like that's the shot left. Do we need medical stuff? No, we don't need. I don't have the sticker yet, so that's a problem. At least I have the thin one. Cosmo! and Buxton. Who's distracting you? Oh yeah, Pebble. Just seeing if you guys were still there when I was recording. Yes. See, that's the trick. If you miss a skill check, just do that. That's the trick. So that you don't need to wait. Okay, we have the last one. Wow, how much is this? Skip the ones we have Dandicus. Oh my god. Dandicus gives me stuff that I can't afford. I know you guys have been through that. Oh wait, I forgot I was not recording. So you missed the floor, but hey, more times so that.
Give me it, bro, guys.
I would like to crack it for you, but I don't want to right now. Hopefully we get a main. We get a main. I would love to. No, never mind. Need some help, bud? Actually, I'm actually trying to do that machine over there. I'm gonna skip the ones I'm almost finished. Okay, I'm done. How the strap. Then he gave us a valve. Wait, who the hell? Oh my god. I thought they changed my SP. Who the hell's the other one? Oh, it's Razin D's.
Bro, guys. Just give me it.
I got you.
Give me
I don't really like distracting. but I chose this character. Oh. Just kidding. Yes, ako nag-shutdown. Why did I say I don't like distracting? I kinda like distracting. Distracting is kinda boring, but it earns you a lot of ichor. I do need a lot more ichor to earn another tune. Since I'm kinda broke. Yeah, I'm kinda broke. Let me pick this up. Hurry up with the machine. Let me get the capsule. Capsule. Silly. My god. Setting the lag.
Oh, bro, this dude's a YouTuber.
Huh? How so? No, I missed the boost. Wait, what the hell happened to my candy? Did I already use it?
This dude's
I don't remember using it.
bro, save. Yeah,
No. Oh, shoot. I don't really want to do this anymore. And I'm tired. So this is gonna be end of the road. You know, this is gonna be the end of the video. Hopefully you guys like the video. Right now, it's me, your boy, and I'm out.